Next, we'll take a look at hypothetical syllogism. Here we have P then Q and Q then R, therefore P then R. So we can rewrite this, since each one of the lines up here is combined together with an and. We can rewrite this as P then Q and Q then R, and then parenthesize that whole thing, then P then R. Now that we have it written out in that form, we can also take a look at this in truth table. Unfortunately, we have 3 variables here, so this is going to be a long truth table. Get as much room as I can. So we'll go P, true, 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 false, 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 false. Then Q, true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. Then R, true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. And then let's take a look at P then Q. After that, we'll look at Q then R. After that, we'll look at P then Q and Q then R. And then after that, we'll look at P then R. And then all the way at the very end, then we'll be able to look at this, then this. Looks like I'm going to be a little bit short on writing that out. So I'll just call this 1, and I'll call this 2. So we'll look at 1, then 2 over here. Okay, so looking at P then Q, we have true then true is true, true then true is true, true then false is false, true then false is false, false then true is true. Any of these falses are all going to be true. When the premise is false, the conditional is true. Then we have Q then R. So we have true then true, true, true then false is false, false then true is true, false then false is true, true then true is true, true then false is false, false then true is true, and false then false is true. Then we have an and between this and this. So true and true is true, true and false is false, false and true is false, false and true is false, true and true is true, true and false is false, true and true is true, true and true is true. Then we have P then R. True then true is true, true then false is false, true then true is true, true then false is false, false then true. All these next 4 are false on the premise, so they're all true. And then we are looking at this, then this. So let's go ahead and stay with red. True then true is true. False then true is, or false then false is true. Any of these falses in the premise are all true. True then true is true. False then anything is true. True then true. True then true. So those are all true. Therefore, this is a tautology. Therefore, this is a argument form. And therefore, this is our next rule of inference. And that is the proof that hypothetical syllogism is a tautology.